season is coming up very soon. So I wish you continued good health and lots of joyful moments in the coming year. Merry Christmas in advance, Jose Marichan, to the Pascua family.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Alam nyo ba kung anong sikreto ng Jollibee? Tara, samahan nyo ako. Maglagay tayo ng 8 pirasong kalamansi. Sunod na natin ang bawang, patis, evaporada. Pwede din naman yung fresh milk dito, nasa inyo po yan. At saka paminta. At halu-haluin lang natin tapos i-marinate na natin ng 30 minutes to 1 hour. Habang nakamarinate na yung manok natin, gagawa tayo ng gravy niya. Magpainit muna tayo ng kawali, tapos ilagay na natin ang harina. Imikos-mikos na natin yan hanggang maging brown. At yun na nga naging brown.
Hello there, Pascua family. This is Jose Marichan, your seasoned Pascua